Come on in. Look what's happened. We've got a pop-up exhibition here in Broadstairs. It's really exciting. I wouldn't want to be sat in a gallery all day every day, but when these pop-ups arrive, the opportunity is just too good to miss. So, we're tired, we've been at it all day hanging this exhibition. It's only for the weekend. We've got the flying birds on both sides. That's why I like this exhibition, to exhibit like this, so that we can see these flying birds as they should be seen, as this long go at it, like a pattern book or something they look like. We've got some peacocks, obligatory peacocks, my signature really, and then we've got 5 of the Valentine mosaics. Penguins, woodpeckers, ravens, toucans, hoopoes. They've all got verses, as I think you know by now. And then we've got some dodo work, Last Supper, Alice in the Caterpillar, and then we've got Toucans Need to Know Their Place, Alice Meets the Dodo, and continue, and we end with those pair of peacocks that I made recently. So, I'm pleased with it, and I think if you came to see it, you would enjoy it. So, I hope to see you here in Broadstairs.